In this video, we will show you how to use the Snaptain P40 Lite battery charging hub. The Snaptain P40 Lite charging hub can charge multiple batteries, shorten overall charging time, and offer efficient storage. Charging. Please pay attention to the position of the battery port before use. Insert the drone batteries into the hub until you hear a click sound to confirm that the battery is properly installed. Connect the Type-C charging cable to the hub's USB-C port and a power source. The green light staying on indicates that the device is in fast charging mode. The blue light staying on indicates that the device is in slow charging mode. The charging hub will first charge the batteries in sequence from a high to low battery level. Once a battery is fully charged, its lights will turn off. Power bank mode. With drone batteries inside, the charging hub can be used as a power bank to charge external devices. Insert at least one drone battery into the hub. Connect the device to the USB-A power supply port using a charging cable. Press the power button on any battery once, then press and hold the mode button on the charging hub to activate power bank mode. The status light on the hub will turn solid red to indicate charging has started. If multiple batteries are inserted, the hub will draw power from the battery with the highest charge first to charge devices, then switch to the next one as needed. Safety instructions. Thanks for watching.